Alright, so my young fella had this out and nailed the tree. This is all bent. This is not lining up. Did you hit a tree?
Huh?
Did you hit a tree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why did you do that for?
Because.
You're gonna be a mechanic today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is our little project now, getting this thing back.
This is really good.
Nothing's like this is pretty bad shape here. Anyway.
I love my motorcycle fast.
Yeah.
It's not broken.
No, it's not broke, but I'm sure you probably will sometimes.
Wait a minute. The thing's
All right, buddy. All right, so when you hit that tree, it buckled these two plates here. I originally thought, well, maybe I should stiffen these up, but then that takes out the impact of whatever it's hitting. So I think what I'll do is I'll maybe just straighten them up, straighten this for the hood here.
The snow melted all the snow.
Yeah, you should be over here helping me.
Huh?
You're the mechanic.
I'm not.
Yeah, come on.
But Dad.
You did it, not me.
But Dad.
Come on.
But Dad.
So I'll have to pop off these right here. And I'll have to drill these out here. They're rivets. I'll get that straightened up. See how she goes.
Dad, I tried my
Just straightened one out already. Came out, pretty good. Let's use the fights for this. Show you the difference. But I suppose that's the whole safety in case you do hit you gotta have a weak point somewhere. That's why I'm not gonna brace it. I lost my helper. Close. These tabs broke off like that. So I think I'm just gonna, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I'll probably get rid of these. Maybe put like a plate here on the body at least. I don't want to know what that cost. So they're probably gonna hit another one, another tree, or hit something. I'm just gonna patch her up. I got the hood on, trying to get her to bend properly again. Still gotta bend a little bit more here. Alright. Well, we got her back together. Almost as good as new. He can enjoy driving it again. He hit that tree dead on. Good thing these only go 12 miles an hour or whatever. But all these here line up again. They don't overlap. So we're good. It definitely scared him. I think he was probably more scared of me being mad at him than anything. But I just explained to him that it's okay. He's not fazed by it. He's ready to start ripping again. I'm gonna do a video of him on this probably next. All right, cheers.